Hello and welcome back to our Jimmy Jems Confetti YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a cute and very simple snow globe using some 99-cent store items and our Jimmy Jems Confetti Party Ice. So let's get started. Here is what we need: a snow globe or plastic jar from the 99-cent store, a Christmas figurine also from the 99-cent store, one bag of our Jimmy Jems Confetti Party Ice, don't forget the hot glue gun. Let's begin by unscrewing the lid of the jar. Next, glue the figurine to the jar lid. Be careful with the glue. It's hot. Set the figurine on the lid and press a loop. Set it aside so that the glue dries. Now, let's fill our jar with water. Some people use glycerin or oil, but we found that just regular water works just as good and is cheaper. Add a pinch of party ice. Stir it well so that all the flakes get wet and start sinking to the bottom. Add a bit more water. You may have some excess floating flakes at the top. You can remove them with your finger. Now you can close the jar with the glued figurine. Close it tight so that it does not spill any water. Shake it well and that is it. You've made a very cute snow globe. You can decorate it with ribbons, twine, bows, or anything you want to add to it. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can find the links for our party ice in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.